Yeah, yeah. And just like right now, you see how it's popped at 92? Now you're going to move your stop up to 89. Go ahead. And now when it pops up to 96, you'll move your stop up to 90, 91, 92. Okay. And then you can then let it work a little bit. But you want it to make money. You don't want it to, right, not make you the money. And because you paid 70, whatever, you're already making a ton of money. You know, the stop was in there kind of tight, but that's okay. You can always rebuy and put in a stop. I want you to be able to control those stops. So don't put it under VWAP if that's, you know, going to make you lose money. Because here's the thing. In a half a second, this market can take a dump and it'll take everybody's gains. And if your guys' stops was ginormo, right, you didn't make any money. Now, if you guys were riding, you know, the 2-minute EWO forever, let me look at this. Yeah, see, because I know you're not in the 2-minute EWO because you would have been in it since the open. So you were scalping, which is way different, right?